Look at all these trains. What was that? It's a train! Is that a train?
This is the 2011 335 IS, a fine locomotive. Yes, for steam, of course.
Hey, can you throw something else? I didn't get it on camera.
Hey guys, so I started the car this morning and this light was on my dash. Do you guys have any ideas? Hey kids, welcome back to the family-friendly alternate beamer experience. Some of you guys have been criticizing my vulgar language that I use oftentimes, or well, most of the time even censored. Let's take a minute to think about that because, well, I make content about cars, and assuming that you drive cars and that's why you're watching it, you're probably at least 16 years old. And if you're 16 or older, I kind of assume that you can take a little bit of words, some little bit of dirty words here and there, but apparently not, because you guys are little. Tank, the compressor, you can see down here, this tray is just plastic, so I was able to drill through, and then it just taps into the battery, which is, you know, conveniently right there. The train horns are under the hood by the muffler, or sorry, under the bumper.
Oh, the locomotive power.
That's just an excellent sounding steam engine. Dr. Pepper?
Medium.
Yeah. And can I get a... Jesus.
What was that?
I'm sorry, a Baconator? You gotta love the
BMW.
cup holders. This thing just
Oh yeah. Oh, it's broke on the side.
It just toppled right over and landed straight on the shifter. I just did this the other day, so don't even feel bad. Except it's way worse this time. What's up, buddy? Hey. I like the jacket. My dad just gave it to me like 10 minutes ago. Hey, trade hard. Oh, you were filming. Is that why you're wearing that hat? I was trying to scare you, but
Go. Go.
I love it because no one expects it to be this car.
Okay. Go.
He's cool about it.
I wish he dropped his coffee. That would have been legend. I would have bought him a coffee though.
Yeah.
Hold on. Lay you on it. What was that? Remember, go. Hey, can you throw something else? I didn't get it on camera.
It's definitely not me doing that.
What?
Train horn on?
Yeah, does this look like a train to you? yeah, the the train, yep. Go. No clue what's going on.
You just look back like slightly disappointed.
Did I really just hear that disappointing sound and look back? Go. Oh, fuck! Oh, God! I missed it! Oh, how do we play that?
I want more people like snapping their necks over this.
I want more people jumping up and like crushing their can of soda and then fucking throwing it above their head or at their car. Maybe that's what happened. He got so scared. It was a delayed reaction and he... all of a sudden... yeah! Ah!
We do it to this woman, she drops
With-
her kid.
Ah, get it out! She drops. Okay, go. Go. And go.
Get closer. I don't know. Where did that come from?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Just made a Girl Scout Hoover pan.
Oh, God. Yeah. Go.
Unimpressed.
Go.
That's as funny as I can hear you. You have a recording right now?
Yeah.
Does it roar or is it just?
No, it's pretty.
Can you rip it real quick?
Yeah, if you want.
For the ones I just watched.
He doesn't like it.
I love y'all, man. I'll see you though. You have a good one.
Yeah, take it easy, man.